Welcome back. Things you must do. Laundry. Then you toss it in the dryer. While you're at it, stock your fridge. And while you look at it, contemplate how much energy you're using. But appliances have become more efficient and smarter. Ron Vogelweed from Whirlpool joins us this morning. And a vast majority of those super energy efficient appliances are made right here in Ohio. Good morning. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Amanda. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. You know, we love to tout that Whirlpool is here in Ohio, in Northwest Ohio specifically, too. So talk a little bit about where your plants are and where you're operating.
Yeah, so we operate, many plants across the U.S., 5 plants here in Ohio, everything that makes the iconic stand mixer to our dishwashers, washers and dryers here. Our washers here you can see in Clyde, Ohio, is one of our premier plants that you can see here in Ohio.
So you guys did a survey of consumers to figure out what it is that they want in their next appliance, and what did you find out?
Yeah, some really interesting new data that came in. Of course, everybody wants a lot of value and quality, which we've been delivering for over 110 years, but they want more out of their appliance and the companies they're buying from, really about how they can improve their life at home, in the sense that it's going to save energy, save the planet, and save them time and effort.
Yeah, you found, 40%, consumers want innovations that use less energy, 40%. And how are you guys delivering on that?
Yeah, and that's through innovation and purposeful innovation. So not technology for technology's sake, or throwing screens or things yelling at you, but for example, our dishwashers that have almost 30% more space and a real third rack, but use less than 3.5 gallons of water and save energy. And versus hand washing, it's 3 to 4 times less water, energy, and emissions than doing it by hand. So it saves you 30 minutes per cycle. So you're saving time, you're saving money, you're saving the planet, and you're doing good. And I think that's the great aspect of what we've been doing over time with all of our appliances, from refrigerators that use less than a 60-watt light bulb to our washing machines now that are high efficient and more flexible.
As having a family, we want to make sure that we get the most out of our best use out of our time, and and our money. Pinching those pennies is really important. So when we look at doing a load of laundry, or running the dishwasher, we want to make sure that we are saving on the other end. So it's important to have these features in our homes, but it's also your process there at your plants. It's not just the actual products.
Yeah, I mean, people want to trust the companies they're buying from, and that's the beauty part about buying from those companies that operate locally. And here in the U.S., like I say, 80% of the products we sell in the U.S. are made in the U.S., and they're made from plants that are more responsible as well. A lot of our plants are hitting over 96% of the materials are recycled. We have zero waste to landfill, and at those plants, like in Clyde, Ohio, we use renewable energy on site. And then we give back to the community. 1/3 of our employees volunteer. We do the appliances for Habitat for Humanity, Homes for Our Troops, and donate a lot to the local communities as well. So, and we think those are the key aspects of why you trust and pay for your appliances and buy your appliances from us.
Isn't it awesome to see that, like, made in the USA sticker on your appliance when you at home doing your laundry or doing your dishes? Is there something you are particularly looking forward to here in the new year? You got a product out there that you're excited about?
Yeah, I mean, if you look at our new top load washers, they can be energy efficient as well. And we have a new 2-in-1 where you can remove the agitator, so you can put that King Comforter in. You don't have to run to a laundromat. You can put an agitator in to get those really dirty clothes clean, and you can save energy and water at the same time. So it's saving you time and the process and the effort. So we're really excited about that. The new washer we have, like our new dishwasher, and we have some new technologies around connectivity, where it's not about dings and sending alarms. We want technology to work for you. So how it can work, maybe at different times to save you energy or cost, or lower the emissions of that product over time. So that intersection between connectivity, not to basically bug you, but to work for you instead of technology working against you, which it does sometimes.
Right, sometimes. Man, I need that the washing machine with the removable agitator. That sounds really handy, something that we need in our house. Ron, what are some of the other nameplates associated with Whirlpool? People may not realize it's a Whirlpool product.
Yeah, I mean, we've been a global company and, like I say, operating here in the U.S. for over 110 years. So you'll see our names like Maytag, KitchenAid, Amana, Whirlpool, Genair. So those household names you've come to love and trust over these years. We're going to be here for another 110 years, hopefully, and continue to deliver those products you really value and want.
We're looking forward to seeing what you guys cook up next. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. We appreciate it.
Thank you, Amanda. Appreciate it. And a big shout out to all of our manufacturing colleagues out there doing the hard work every day.
Yes, they are. Thank you so much. Take care.